Hey guys, welcome to Pinoytubers channel. Today I will talk about watch later function in YouTube. There are times that we find a video in YouTube that are interesting and we want to watch it but we can't at that moment. And when we have time, we can't find it. That is where watch later comes in. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to add a video or even a whole playlist. Okay, let's start with adding a single video. I found this video interesting, like how to build a high quality dining table, and I want to watch it now, but I don't have time, so I'll save it in my watch later so I can watch it later on. And click these three dots and then you can directly save to watch later. Or if you open this and you can see here save function, click save and then click watch later. Let's see if it added. Let's see our watch later and then refresh it. There you have it. Okay, next is I will show you how to add a whole playlist to watch later so you can avoid adding video one by one, which is very tedious and time consuming. Let's say I want to add Air Supply karaoke playlist which has 30 videos, and if you add this one by one to watch later, it will take you about 5 minutes, but there's a way to add the whole playlist one time. First is you click the first video and then go down to the suggested videos at the bottom and then just click the three buttons and then click add to queue and then go up again, and then you'll see that this playlist has a save button. Click save and then click watch later. There you go. It's easy. Let's go back to watch later and then refresh it. Now we need to look for that video that we added earlier, which is this one. We can remove it, or you can leave it there and then skip it later. There you have it, guys. How to transfer a video or the whole playlist to watch later. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, and please subscribe and like this video or share this video. It will help a lot. Bye!